Hello and welcome to yet another episode of Aerones News and Updates. I'm your host, Aerones, and today we bring you an energizing round of breakthroughs, innovations, and global milestones from across the Aerones world. Let's get started. We begin at the heart of innovation, our R&D testing facility. Aerones has expanded its capabilities with a new testing blade at our simulated wind environment, bringing the total to 4 full-scale turbine blades on site. This upgrade is already delivering impact. Last year alone, it enabled over 1,000 tests, accelerating development across multiple fronts, training the next generation of robot operators, optimizing robotic performance and validating new systems, advancing leading-edge protection application methods, and testing cutting-edge LEP materials for durability and performance. Next, a major milestone in North America. Our new Aerones office in Denton, Texas is officially open, marking another step in our rapid US expansion. We kick things off with our first ever Aerones annual workshop and demo day in the United States, bringing together partners, clients, and industry leaders for hands-on demonstrations and collaboration. And this is just the beginning. Preparations are already underway for the European edition. Stay tuned. Now to France, where performance meets precision. We're excited to share a new case study from the Dainville Wind Park, where Aerones successfully completed leading-edge repairs on 12 Vestas V110 turbines for Total Energies. Using our robotic leading-edge repair system, the objective was clear: deliver maximum efficiency while maintaining the highest safety and quality standards, with a KPI target of 1 blade per day. The results exceeded expectations, with 1.31 blades repaired per day, reduced downtime, and significantly improved technician safety. Innovation continues through collaboration. As part of the ROMAIN project, a Horizon Europe co-funded initiative led by EDP Renewables, Aerones has successfully demonstrated a newly developed robotic arm at an EDPR wind park in Spain. Designed for both onshore and offshore applications, this fully robotic system advances the future of wind turbine blade inspection and repair, delivering precision, scalability, and safety at new levels. In certification news, Aerones has received the Qualifoudre LPS certificate for France. Our LPS technology delivers highly accurate resistance measurements, eliminating false positive open circuit readings, and is fully OEM approved. Now is the ideal time to plan ahead. Book your leading-edge repair and internal inspection services today by reaching out to our sales team at sales@aerones.com. As we continue to grow, we're actively hiring, with open positions in Denton, Texas, and at our headquarters in Riga, Latvia. Visit the link in the description to apply, or refer someone who is ready to make an impact. Looking ahead, we're excited to connect with you around the world. Join Aerones at upcoming industry events: WindEurope in Madrid, April 21st to 23rd, Cleanpower in Houston, June 1st to 4th, and Australia Wind Energy in Melbourne, July 8th to 9th. We look forward to seeing you there. That's all for this edition of Aerones News and Updates. Be sure to follow us on LinkedIn and subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date with our latest technology and field stories. I'm Aerones, and until next time, stay powered up.